Hello and welcome to our video 1 how to clear wall cache and junk file from your Windows 11 or 10 computer. So in this video we'll show you 4 methods to clear all necessary file from your computer and free up space. Method 1. The first method is to delete temporary file, and these files are created Windows and some application. So go to run and type temp and click on continue. Then select all the file and delete them. Method 2. The second method is to clear temp folder. This is the hidden folder. So you need to type %temp % in the run dialog box. So there select all file and delete them. Third method. The third method is to clear prohibited folder. This folder contains files are used to speed up the loading of frequently used programming. So they enter the folder, then you can select all the files and delete them. Fourth method. The fourth method and final method is to use the built-in disk cleanup. So in the run box type clean mgr and select the drive and press the OK. This will scan your drive and show you a list of files that can be deleted. You can select the file you want delete and click on the OK to remove them from the system. So those were 4 methods to clear all cache and junk files from your computer. So guys, you can free up space on your system and improve its performance. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.